Alright, welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I've came to talk about the HTTP Custom ping 204 no content error that happens in HTTP Custom and how to solve this error in your HTTP Custom application. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend, and if it works, just comment that it has worked. This is what you're going to be doing. Let us first go back to our home screen and go in. You're going to go in for the HTTP custom application, and then we place and hold. We place and hold until we see the word app information or app info. On some devices it may be just appearing as on some devices it may be appearing as that information icon or a small I. So let us go where we have app info, and then you're going to go where we have storage right here, and then after you're going to come and clear the data, and then clear. After clearing the data, this is what you're going to be doing next. Let us all head over to our Google Chrome, and if you head over to Google Chrome, this is what you're going to be searching. Go where we have, you're going to search HTTP Custom site, that one. So you're going to be choosing this first in the result, and then check out that. Then let us all gather right here. Here I have the three dashes, these ones, and then you're going to come and then choose HTTP Custom Server. This is an advert. Let us choose the premium. No, we're going to choose the 30 days premium, that one. And then you're going to choose 30 days HTTP Custom. That is an advert. Let us close it. Let us scroll down, and then we're going to be putting in our username. Confirm that you're not a robot. Put in your username and the password. Now you're going to come and then choose, you're going to be copying up. You're going to copy the server IP, then the username, and then the password. Now let us go right here in our HTTP custom application. Allow it to do whatever it wants. Now you're going to put in our IP address. This one, the port, colon 1.6555. Then a separator, then put in your username, and then after you're going to be putting in your password. We didn't copy the password. Let us go back to copy the password. Then paste the password. Then after enable the HTTP custom, this one, and then connect. Let us check with it saying failed to initialize client authentication error. Maybe you have something you have done right here. Let us be changing this to 443. Let us go back to the site. And let us recreate the username. Premium UDP custom server. Choose your country's location, that is near to your country's location. Then let us gather right here. First confirm that you're not a robot. Put in your username. Password is not advert. Alright, the advert is over. Put in your username. Mouse stick. Then put in the password 123 122. Then go where you have created now and wait for a few seconds. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Then copy the server IP, copy the username, and then copy the password. Then after head over, but you can copy the full account details. Hope you have seen this one, the HTTP Custom. You can copy this and then head over to HTTP Custom application. Then just paste and then connect. Let us be seeing this one. We are seeing that this one has connected successfully. Let me show you. You are not getting any errors. Don't forget to subscribe. You have solved the failed to initialize client error and the no ping out. Thank you guys for following.